Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to connect the Samsung Xpress printer to Wi-Fi. See, the wireless status light shows no connection. If connected, you'd see a blue light. To connect to Wi-Fi, open the menu by clicking any button, scroll right, and find Network. Click OK, scroll right again, find Wi-Fi, click OK, then find Wi-Fi settings and click OK. Here you'll see the list of available Wi-Fi networks. Scroll and select your network, for example HR Wi-Fi 24, click OK. Provide your Wi-Fi password using the keyboard. This uses a multi-tap keyboard, for example, click a button multiple times to get the right letter. Click the button to switch between uppercase and lowercase. Enter the password, then click OK and wait. The printer is connecting. Once connected, the wireless status light turns blue. You can now print documents from your smartphone. For example, send a document, select this printer, and click Print. Document prints successfully. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe.